Now we are continuing with inverse trigonometric functions. Now it is given so that tan of half sine inverse 2x over 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square over 1 plus y square is equals to x plus y over 1 minus xy. Now so for these functions, to prove this identity, now we can take left hand side taking over here. Now then can do one thing over here, half, you know about these things, sine inverse 2x over 1 plus x square means directly we can write 2 tan inverse x plus, as well as cos inverse 1 minus y square 1 plus y square is also 2 tan inverse y. Now then this is equals to tan of half. Now then I'll take 2 common from this. If I take 2 common, it will be tan inverse x plus tan inverse of y. 2 to get cancelled. Now then within square bracket I'll use formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. According to the formula, tan inverse of x plus y over 1 minus xy. Now tan of tan inverse something is the value. Tan of tan inverse, these two quantities get cancelled. Now it is x plus y over 1 minus xy. This is equals to right hand side. This one is NCERT question. Now this is another type of problem that is given. If tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z equals to pi by 2, so that xy plus yz plus zx equals to 1. Now for this only, I'll consider this function, since tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse of z equals to pi upon 2. Now to prove this identity, from out of these three quantities, I'll bring one quantity from left hand side to the right hand side. So I'll keep this tan inverse x plus tan inverse y in the left hand side, and I'll bring this tan inverse z from left hand side to the right hand side. Now then I'll use formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. The formula is tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus xy equals to pi by 2 minus tan inverse of z. Next step is I'll bring this tan inverse from left hand side to the right hand side. Now it will be x plus y over 1 minus xy is equals to tan of pi by 2 minus tan inverse z. Over here I'll use property. Now according to the property, this property, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. Now then, therefore, cot inverse x is equals to pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. Using this property, now say, in place of pi by 2 minus tan inverse z, we can write x plus y over 1 minus xy is equals to tan of this whole quantity is equals to cot inverse z. Now then, next I'll use reciprocal property of cot. Now the reciprocal of cot is tan, so in case of inverse circular functions we can write tan inverse of 1 by z. Cot inverse z means we can write tan inverse 1 by z. Tan of tan inverse 1 by z is x plus y over 1 minus xy is equals to 1 by z. Now next, cross multiplications, that you zx plus yz equals to 1 minus xy. Therefore, now bring this at this xy over here. xy plus yz plus zx equals to 1. This identity is proved. Now this is similar to the previous sum, but in previous sum it was pi by 2 on our right hand side. Now in this case it is pi. In case of pi by 2 that we have used already, we have used property. Now in case of pi, we'll use the quadrant system. The method is same. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to pi minus tan inverse of z. Now then I'll apply formula tan inverse x plus y, that is x plus y over 1 minus xy is equals to pi minus tan inverse z. Now I'll bring this quantity over here, then x plus y over 1 minus xy is equals to tan pi minus tan inverse of z. Now this is lies in a quadrant. Now say the concept of the quadrant, tan pi minus tan inverse z is pi minus tan inverse z. Now the tan inverse z lies in a second quadrant, or in second quadrant the tan is negative. So I'll write minus of tan inverse z. Now this is equals to x plus y over 1 minus xy is equals to tan inverse z is z. Now with the help of cross multiplication again, now we can write x plus y equals to minus z into 1 is minus z, minus into minus plus xy z. Now bring this at this z, it will be x plus y plus z is equals to xy z. It is proved. Now same type of questions but in terms of cos. Then you have to take this identity and one quantity that you have to bring from the left hand side to the right hand side. Now in this case I'll use formula of cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y formula is cos inverse xy minus on the root 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square equals to pi minus cos inverse z. Now then I'll bring this cos from the left hand side to the right hand side. Now this one will be xy minus on the root 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square is equals to cos of pi minus cos inverse z. We also that you have to use the concept of quadrant system. Now the concept of quadrant system is again pi minus cos inverse z, pi minus cos inverse z. This is lies in a second quadrant, or in second quadrant the cos is negative. So I'll write this thing is equals to 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square is equals to minus cos of cos inverse z. Cos of cos inverse z is equals to z. Cos of cos inverse z is z. Next, to remove this root, that you have to do squaring both the sides. So I'll bring this quantity from right hand side to the left hand side and this one from left to the right. So it will be xy plus z equals to on the root 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. So I'll write this thing squaring both the sides. So I'll write in a short form squaring both sides. This one will be xy plus z whole square equals to on the root 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square whole square. Now then I'll use formula a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab equals to, now root and square get cancelled. Now then multiply this two quantity, what you'll get 1 minus y square minus x square plus x square y square. These two quantities get cancelled. Now then bring this at this two three quantities or two quantities, y square and minus y square minus x. So from right hand side to the left hand side it will be therefore x square plus y square, already z square is over here, z square plus 2xyz equals to 1. This is proved. This identity is proved. Now class 12 Kundini boys, now I'm going to upload all these videos in a YouTube. I got my own YouTube channel. Without downloading from the web WhatsApps, you can use YouTube to learn all these things. I'll already send you the YouTube link, so you can use YouTube without any downloading. Clear?